Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this DIY background, then keep watching. So you guys, this is what my setup looks like before. I just keep all my products inside the bin that I sit on, and it's just a little cramped up. It's like basic, really plain. So I'm just going to move this out the way and just start getting this space prepped and ready to build my shelf. So yeah, we got to sweep up some of those rubber bands and bobby pins, wipe off this wall, and now we're ready to build our shelf. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to put together this shelf. Now here are the instructions, which are really just one page, and they tell you it takes 15 minutes to put together, but we're going to do this baby in a matter of 2 minutes. So that's all I need, you guys. Stay with me. All the instructions and the pieces are really straightforward and simple. The boards are a little bit on the heavier side, but it's still manageable for one person. Also, what I like about this shelf is that you can get it in many different colors. I chose this baby blue, which is so pretty, and that's my favorite color. So anyway, now I'm rambling. I'm just going to go ahead and put the shelf together. So you guys, I am done building this shelf. I decided not to add the last layer. I just think it looks good at the height that it's at, and I don't need that much space. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my products. So here I am just cleaning off my products before I put them on the shelf. Now this was a little difficult for me, you guys, because I don't have that many products that really match up with each other, and I really wanted it to look really, coordinated and kind of pretty, but whatever, I made it work. Yeah, just making sure these products are clean. This really gave me a time to just get rid of some products that I actually don't use or I don't really like. But yeah, so this is how the products look when I've got them all on this little shelf. Now I'm going to go ahead and start decorating my favorite part. I'm just going to grab some pieces from around my house and, spruce up this shelf a bit. Hey, how y'all doing? Alright, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is the background and how it looks with me just stunting in front of it. But yeah, I like this background, you guys. It was really cheap, affordable. I'm going to try to link a lot of the stuff that I got, like the shelf and the lights, in the description box below if you want to purchase any of those things. Also, boom, 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 boom. I had to get rid of a lot of my products, but you know what? Some of them had to go. This was definitely like a wake-up call because some of the products I didn't even really like, and now I have the ones that I really honestly like on this shelf right here. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, add me on IG. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this background, if you like it, if you love it, whatever. I know I love it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in a later video because I am hangry. I'm hot. Whew, all that other stuff. Let me go. Bye.